Okay, this next video is how to do the Gordon's inventory. This document is found in the Google Drive, and you can see it's classified as meat, bread, condiments, snacks, paper products, cleaner, all of those things. Those are all the products you order. Date it. This is the week of so-and-so, and then when you do this, initial it. All right, so that shows you the product in that corner. Here, this is where you write down the amounts of what we have. Okay, how do you know? Well, you have to go and look, and this, where it's stored, this will tell you where it's stored, so you know where to look for it. So all these paper products are located in the shed, the walk-in cooler. There's an ice chest out in the cart barn, that type of thing. So, let's say bacon. I take an inventory and I say there's a half a bag of bacon left. Reorder when there's one bag or less. So I would circle yes, I need to reorder it. I would look in the ice chest for this. Turkey, I have 2 packages. Reorder when there's 3 or less. So I would circle that. So now when you go online to put the order in, you can just look at this real quick and know exactly what you need to order. And you do that all the way down. Now, the reason some of these are like reorder when XXXXX. Burgers. A lot depends on what events we have with the burgers. If we have 2 big outings that are eating burgers, we just know we need to order burgers, for those outings. If we've got 3 unopened cases, well, then maybe we don't, depending how big the outings are. So everything else kind of has like a flow to it. With the exception of the burgers, hot dogs. So obviously that would go with the hot dog burgers and buns as well. These X's mean that's more based on what we've got going on. So that's how to do the Gordon's order. Real simple. If you have any questions, let me know.